Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make a Mangalorean crab curry. For that you need crabs. I've already marinated it with ginger garlic paste, turmeric, and then you can marinate it and set it aside for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then you have the masala, the crab masala paste, which how to make this paste I'll share in the next video. And for the main, onions, tomatoes and curry leaf. For the crab masala, add all the ingredients that is mentioned under the masala and saute for a minute. And blend this into a smooth paste. So first you fry it in coconut oil for a minute and blend it in the mixie. So I'm done, and I'm going to put this into a mixie jar and then blend it into a smooth paste. To make the Mangalorean crab curry, take a deep wok like the one I'm using or any deep dish and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add your onions and curry leaf. Saute the onions till it's nice and translucent. Once it's nice and translucent, then you add in the tomatoes. Add in the tomatoes till the raw smell of the tomatoes leaves the dish, or till it's nice and mushy. And then to this add the ground masala. Once the onions and tomatoes are nicely fried, add in the masala like I have done. And if you have some masala left in the mixie jar, add in some water to it and mix it to this masala. Since we've already fried the ingredients, like I've shown in the previous video, you don't need to fry the masala. Just add in some water and leave it to cook for 10 minutes before you add in the marinated crabs. Look at that. You know, just smell, the aroma is so nice. Once the curry comes to boil, add salt to taste accordingly, and to this you can add your crabs. Now add in your crab gently. Be careful when you're mixing it, because you don't want to break your crabs. And Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes and your dish should be ready. Cover the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. My crab curry is ready, and then you can see it's nicely cooked, and once it turns into this dark pink in color, your meat is nicely cooked. Try not to overcook it, so for just 10-15 minutes if you cook it with the masala, it's good enough. And now I'm going to plate it. See, it's nicely. See, the meat is nicely cooked, so you can even add coconut milk. It'll give you a different taste, but first try the gravy as is and then add the coconut milk. So here's the dish. Serve it with rice or with dosa or the Mangalorean sannas. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.